This is it. The Create Performance task, aka your personal project. It's 30% of your score, and it's where you show off everything you've learned. So what exactly is the College Board looking for? The Create Performance task is your chance to build a program, demonstrate how it works, and explain your process. Your submission includes 3 components. A. Program code. Submit a PDF of your complete program code with comments. B. Video. Record a short video under 1 minute, showing your program's input and output in action. C. Personalized project reference. PPR. Upload 4 screenshots of key parts of your code, procedure definition and call, list creation and use. For those of you who tend to wait until the last minute, all 3 components must be submitted as final in the AP Digital Portfolio by April 30th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. For those in the Pacific Time Zone, that's 8:59 p.m. Pacific Time. During the AP exam in May, you'll use your PPR to answer 2 written questions about your program. These questions will assess your understanding of your program's design, functionality, and development process. The rubric breaks your work down into 5 key concepts. Each one connects directly to the prompts you'll answer on the AP exam: purpose, data, abstraction, algorithm, and testing. So, what's the grader looking for? Does your program do what it's supposed to? Are the inputs, outputs, and purpose clearly shown and explained? Does your algorithm include sequencing, selection, and iteration? And can you explain how it works? Have you identified and fixed an error and tested your code with different inputs? And finally, do you use a list and a custom procedure to manage complexity and keep your code organized? Here's a quick visual checklist of what your project must include: an input, an output, a list, a custom procedure, and an algorithm that uses both selection and iteration. All of that needs to be clearly shown in your video and explained in your written responses during the AP exam. Think of it like a puzzle. Your code shows how it works, your video proves it in action, and your writing ties it all together using the rubric. Before you submit, double-check that you've included everything: user input, something the program displays as output, at least one list to help manage complexity, a custom procedure you created with at least one parameter, and don't forget, your code needs to call it, and an algorithm that includes sequencing, selection, and iteration. Here are some quick tips for your April submission. For Component A, make sure there's no code you can't explain, and that all required rubric elements are included, especially procedures and list usage. If you used code from an external source or an AI tool, be sure to give proper credit. Make sure your code is clear, easy to read, and understandable for your grader. For Component B, no voice narration in the video. Text captions are okay and encouraged to help clarify what's happening. For Component C, do not include any comments in your PPR screenshots. Make sure the screenshots are clear and easy to read. Ready to dive into building your actual project and get it done? Follow along in the next episode. We've got you covered.